Oh, thank God! Finally, we got an unreleased trailer. Yeah, sick. Listen, YouTube. I'm gonna be honest with you. I hate this movie with a passion. I hate this movie. You know, just the title alone makes me want to shit on a 5-year-old. All dogs go to heaven? Really? You think kids, you think these little nursed little kids that are eating Gerber baby food are really gonna believe that all dogs go to heaven? You think they've never seen a Rottweiler? You think they've never seen a Saint Bernard, off his leash? You think he's never seen a pit bull, shitting in someone else's yard? Like, who comes up with these fucking titles? Retards? This is really pissing me off.